Every salon service should start with professional nail prep. This will ensure your client's nails are clean and free of debris and oils. Clean, well-manicured nails will make your application adhere better and last with less service breakdown. Have your clients wash their hands and then trim nails if needed. Shape is desired with a 240 grit nail file. When filing natural nails, file back and forth with gentle pressure to reduce length, and then in single strokes towards the center of the free edge to seal and remove any leftover fringe. Gently push back the proximal fold and loosen cuticle from the nail plate. Have you ever wondered what cuticle is? And what is a proximal fold? The nail is surrounded by skin on 3 sides, which is often called the sidewall and cuticle, but in actual fact they are nail folds. Proximal means nearest attached end to the nail plate. This skin folds underneath and covers the emerging nail. It is considered living tissue and should never be removed or cut during a manicure service. The cuticle is the shedded tissue from the proximal fold that attaches itself to the nail plate and is carried forward as the nail grows. Cuticle is non-living tissue that can and should be removed from the nail plate during a manicure. If you want to make sure that your prep is really precise, use a detailing tool to remove any remaining cuticle from the nail. If necessary, use a nipper to remove any remaining cuticle. Do you use an e-file? If you're using an e-file, use a diamond cuticle prep bit on low speed, gently guiding the bit around the perimeter of the sidewalls and cuticle line. OPI recommends training with your e-file's manufacturer to provide this step. Scrub the nails with a nail wipe saturated with NAS 99 cleansing solution to remove any oil or debris left on the nail plate. Bond-Aid is designed to increase the adhesion of acrylics, gels, adhesive, nail treatments, and nail lacquers. It works to balance the pH of the natural nail, making the nail service more compatible with nail coatings. It should be used before every OPI service. Your client is now ready for an application of their favorite OPI service.